Today we're going to go for a ride. I'm on my V4 Speciale. It's been a bit since I've ridden this bike, and Anna is on her Kawasaki sport bike, and Steve is on Super Duke today, and we are headed on 60. It's a little bit of an aimless ride, well, besides getting food, but besides that, we are just out having fun, enjoying the day, and being out in nature. I know all too often for me during the week I am stuck behind a computer, so when I can get out and ride like this on the weekend, it really does refresh, recharge, and re-energize me. I'm sure other people have hobbies like this, but motorcycling to me is really getting outside of the four walls that you sit in most days and seeing these lovely landscapes and sceneries and the sunshine and getting some vitamin D while we're at it. This video is not much more than seeing our aimless ride today, so hope you enjoy it.